Some people worry that having a stairlift fitted in their home will cause damage to their walls and stairs, and that there will be expensive redecorating or repairs needed after the lift has been installed. This simply isn't the case. Let me take a minute to explain how the installation process works. First, our surveyor will have taken the correct measurements of your stairs when they visited you. From these measurements, we will have designed and built your stairlift. The installer will then come to your home at a time convenient to you to carry out the installation. They will fit the stairlift for you, and as our stairlifts are fitted to your stairs and not your wall, then there is minimal disruption to your home and no unsightly repairs to be made. Having a stairlift is an efficient and simple solution for you in your home, and our installer makes sure that they clean up after themselves, that the stairlift is working correctly, and most importantly, that you are happy and know how the lift works. Having a stairlift is an efficient and simple solution for you in your home, and our installer makes sure that they clean up after themselves, that the stairlift is working correctly, and most importantly, that you are happy and know how the lift works. If you want to find out more about the benefits of having a stairlift in your home, or how Acorn Stairlifts can help you, then give us a call. We're happy to help.